By the way, we are waiting for an anonymous caller to give us a call on 086 0002160 with regard to some personal problems they might be having within their relationship. But before we do that, I have to cross over to the two gentlemen who pretty much has all the answers when it comes to life problems. Yes. Look, I'm having problems with my bank manager. Maybe you can give us some advice.
No.
Are you sleeping with your bank manager?
Wait. We are doing relationships here, Paul.
I'm trying to maintain one with the relationship with the bank.
Really?
Yes.
How is she?
Well, she's tall.
Taller than you?
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry, I've got the answer, but it's personal. So, we don't have Anonymous yet?
No.
Okay.
But Anonymous is on their way.
All right. I have this question. I'm glad I've got two straight guys. I hope you're straight, right?
Yes.
But
Yes,
Paul is straight.
Why is
both
Paul
are.
looking at me like,
No,
how
we
Paul?
just
It's a question. I want to make sure I'm asking the right people.
Okay. Yeah.
Why is it? Why do you guys have an issue when it comes to threesomes? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Work with me here. I'm not done. You definitely don't have an issue with threesomes.
I know where you go
Yes.
with this.
Why, guys, do you have an issue with threesomes when it involves another guy? But it's okay if it's two women and you are the steering. But you have a problem if your woman, like for instance, you'd say you're open to threesomes as long as your woman brings another woman. But you have an issue if your woman brings another guy.
I get it.
You understand? And I feel like it's double standards because
Why?
women also deserve to have the same satisfaction as you do. Just because she agrees to have another woman doesn't mean she's probably fully okay. She wants to make you happy, right? And what if like her needs are to have her and another guy, including you? Why do you guys have a problem with another guy joining the threesome?
Naked?
I think, Mina, from my side, it's just imagine like during the threesome. Now do I have to look into the guy's eyes, and then now our things touch by mistake?
No, there's no mistake.
Yeah,
It's called a threesome for a reason. There's no mistake.
yeah. I don't know. I just cannot imagine myself being in an intimate situation where there's another man in close proximity. For me, that's it. And
Okay.
now what do we do? Like siyakhuluma as a majita. Like what happens during the deed?
I think you're overthinking it.
No,
You're
I don't want. I'm so easy. So then what do we talk? No, Jita. We are
No.
like what happens?
No,
like
the same way it happens with two women. You don't do you
Yeah.
talk.
yes,
You know, you don't talk. You just do.
you speak to them and you say
Who naked
freaky
eye?
stuff.
Yes, you can still say, okay, Paul.
Paul,
Look, I hardly like sharing, yeah? I figure if I've got my bowl of ice cream, I think it all belongs to me, yeah? And I don't really like to have an extra spoon with it.
how many flavors do you usually have?
Well,
in
you
your
know,
ice cream?
I'm a person who's very happy and sharing, so many flavors are quite nice. I like the rainbow selection of my ice cream.
All right,
I
Paul.
guess to be continued. Anonymous is here. What a waste of my breath.
Good evening, rather good morning. Look, I'm still stuck in my show. Good morning, Anonymous. How are you? Anonymous.
Good morning, how are you?
Very fine, thank you. Welcome to the show, yeah?
Thank you.
Cool. Your problem or your dilemma. Let me rather say that.
How disclaimer, Paul.
Oh, a disclaimer first. Okay, before we get
Paul,
there.
hey.
Matata. Hold on, Anonymous.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Okay, Anonymous, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Very fine, thank you. We understand that you might have a particular problem within your relationship. What is the problem? And hopefully we can help as well.
All right, hold on again before you're Paul Moore. We must make sure we don't get arrested. All right, Anonymous. Before we carry on, we shall read the following house rules. Respect is the order of the day. No swearing or profanities in any foul language. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you will be speaking about. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
All right. Now, okay, tell us your Zindaba.
I can I mix with Xhosa or Zulu?
Yes, I'm here. Don't worry. I'm here.
Okay. My story is long, but I'll try to make it short. Okay. I've been actually. Let me start here. I'm a lesbian. I'm dating other women, but I'm
Wow.
a feminine woman. I'm a feminine woman.
Uh-huh.
So I like feminine woman also.
Okay, fem,
So-
yes.
Yeah. Last year I met a girl. She's way younger than me. I think I'm in my middle 30s. She's in her 20s.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So we dated last year early, I think around March. Okay. I think 3 weeks of the relationship, girl started into zakhe assuming as cheat. Yeah, so I was already in love and I couldn't even I know it was a red flag, but I was like, no, maybe
you
she
know
will
what?
change. I like the relationship was new.
Okay.
So I knew what she's doing is a red flag, but I continued anyway with the relationship.
Okay, I hear you. Let's go to the headlines and then we'll continue when you come back, ne?
Okay.
All right, mama.
Okay, I need to find the headlines first.
All right.
Let me try and find a song. Yes, I found
found
them.
it, okay.
And more to come on the show this morning.
On Ask a Man every weekday on Metro FM.
Once again, we have a call on the line, and it's from Anonymous, and she has a particular situation with the relationship that she's in right now. And I do believe that Mr. Somizi has got apparently all the best advice when it comes to what she should do with this particular situation. The way he's looking at me, I just think that you have all the advice here.
I do. Relationship, not financial. All right, Anonymous, carry on. You saw the red flags.
I saw the red flags, but anyway, I continued with the relationship
Yes.
in a hope that she will change. So I think after a month, because they take 2 or 3, or I'm not sure actually. So when I'm asking, because being found out on my Facebook work, I would see her commenting kuma dating my dating post on Facebook, and when I ask her about that, she will deny it. But on her WhatsApp, she was always, when she replies, she will reply a message that she meant to talk to someone else, but apalele mina. So that's how I was finding out, this one is busy. Yabo. So there was a time whereby she visited me, and then if on each and every time if on my ringer also answer, and then she'll be like, hello, I'll get back to you. Now and this person will continue calling up until it's either she will switch off her phone or put her phone on silent. Okay, I think I raised this silent thing and flight mode thing, and then she was like, oh, okay, baby, I'll stop. And then she stopped, but her phone was ringing non-stop, and it was different numbers. Like bengafiki kule stage sokuthi ngibambe phone yakhe by then, but bengithi mangithi xa ngithi hayibo I different number and akayibamba uvele nje ayifake kumuthi. Okay, up until one day she confessed to yena she has ex yakhe obsessed naye in she's the one who's calling with different numbers, what, of which I recently, not recently now, then find out ukuthi lo muntu lo, she's not what I think she is career wise. So to me she's a soccer player. She udlalela ibanyana banyana. She would post, but she was not posting herself. If we are post to post a picture a half, and when I ask ukuthi why athi nakathandi, because ama hairstyle awenza emakase Pauline, uyabona. So I'm like, and mind you, this girl is not fully feminine. She is sort of a stud, uyabona. So I mean, butch and studies I don't do, but not because I loved it. I said, let me try, and I fell deeply in love. Nagola, okay, sengithola ke manje ukuthi lo muntu lo akusiyo lento akathi uyiyo, but I didn't want to ask or say anything about it. Yabo, ngazithulela ngathi hayi. So ngithi mina girl, phela manje uzoyani uyodlala, or because I remember last year angazi bebadlala kuyiphilizwe athi bamphikile, but they don't want to she doesn't want to go. Oh, she started by saying uzomnika itikiti sizohamba ngenze passport, and mind you, I didn't even have passport. I've wasted my money and go pay for passport that ngento enye exist. Hayibo kufika isikhathi sokuthi mina sihambe sekangitshela istory ukuthi no baxabene ne coach in okay ngibeke ecaleni nje yokuthi uland, because already sengiyazi ukuthi this one is not what I think she is. Kanti even kwi family yakhe she's not what I think she is. Mina I thought she's open, lesbian, uyaziwa kubo. Mangifika kubo athi introduce her as a friend. Hayi ngithi okay. Athi why mangibuza why athi ubaba ke akazi, but the whole family iyas. Up until I was like, no, ayikho lento le. Yalo girl unamanga too much. First of all, gi break up naye. Mang break up naye, ugeli akagive up phanga aqale yenza into zama psycho, angifonele ngama different WhatsApp number, ayenze and mina by that time I moved on, like ngimdampe today. Already I was talking with someone. Kanti naye umuntu loyo uzifunela relationship nje saba in love vele nje, you know what, suppose kana kanti ibirthday yakhe beseduze saphuma out for a birthday celebrating, kanti ugeli uyabona ama post ku Facebook. Masibuya siye endlini yami silala ekseni 6 o'clock she was there. I didn't know that she was outside my place. Mina no geli besigeza. So she knocked. My son went and opened the door. I mean gate. Wavula makavula wangena. Makangena wabuza ukuthi ngikuphi, ubuza umntwana, and then wathi ngiyageza. Wangena straight to the shower. Some you don't want to know.
I do.
Angaze ngishaya intombazana kanji. Manje siyamshaya siyi2 uyasihlula. And umncane kithi wasishaya, and mina ngithi umuntu efight. No, I didn't even know what to do or what to say. You wangishaya. Angifuni ukuhamba manga shame. That's when ke ngahamba ngaya kuba. I went to her family ngachaza ukuthi this is what happened. Yabo, and mina ngiyovula no angiyanga ngifonile ngathi umntwana wenze uhambe nesikhathi semoto, so ngifuna my car keys or else ngizovula icase. Ifamily yakhe hayibo ningabangani muthi nibangani lengaka nibangabafana. I'm like hayibo we are dating and then uyazuza dating umasi ningamantombazana niyenza leyo nto le amanyala lawo uyabona hayibo and then hayibo kanti lo muntu akaziwa mina ngahamba straight ngaya kubo ke sengi-explain ukuthi lo girl lo wena lo ubhizi ngamantombazana, ngachaza yonke into nje, ngabatshela yonke into. Hayi umntana ethu thina bese ngamazi ukuthi insimbi edle ezinye. Hayibo. And then okay kuba basihlalisa phansi banginika isikhiya semoto, basho ukuthi akaphinda yikwami, if uyile I must open a case. Bacela ukuthi ngimxolele for because usasemncane, and then if uzoboshwa manje in ama fingerprint, like all right. That girl didn't stop calling me. She was calling me with the makafona bengayiphenduli iWhatsApp yomuntu engayazi. Bengiyiblocker immediately. Ebe mangiblocker uyodownload enye. Mangiblocker like in a day we will talking at this 10 or more different WhatsApp. Mangiblock udownload enye iWhatsApp, and then up until ugel one day angifonela ngenamba engayazi ngi-answer. Mangi-answer hayibo some ngafile into ukhona ufile ngathi uvela umkhumbule same time. Ngamkhumbula, I don't know what happened. Yimlo sengiyadrive ngiyalapha hlala khona. Kubo sesihlangale emoli. Hey. Okay, masifika la mangifika emoli athi bocanga ukuthi uzophelela laphi. Angibonisa ama-chats. Angibonisa ama-chats athi wena ungowami. Ngiqedile ngawe. Uthatha isithombe sami ugirl ahamba emuntwini. She even took the video of what she was doing with my picture. That's why I came back.
So
And
she went to a Sangoma, okay?
Yes.
With your picture and your videos.
Yes.
And this is how she got you back, even after beating you up to a pulp.
Yes.
Beating you
Yes.
and your partner. Did she also beat your child up?
No. She only beat me and my partner.
Okay.
And then bengizwa la isho ukuthi Sangoma ini ngiyayizwa, even now ngiyayizwa, but ngiyamthanda. So I don't know what did she do or ini, but what I can say would ukuthi ngiyamthanda. So to fast forward things, January I found out ukuthi lo muntu hayibu. Ebusuku silele kunalento ethi bamba ifoni yakhe. But I don't know the password. You know mangivala amehlo kwavela ama-number. Mangiphaphama lama-number ngiyawakhumbula. Ngathatha ifoni yakhe ngapressa lama-number only to find out ukuthi those numbers are password. Ngakungena kufoni yakhe. Yo. Hayi ingafanga kade ngiphinde. So only to find out ukuthi girl she's not even a lesbian to say. She's bisexual or bi-curious, I don't know. Because she's also sleeping with boys. So when I found out, ngimbuza ukuthi girl kwenzakalani? Yo. Okay, fine. Ngakwata ngahamba ebusuku kanjalo. The following day, like I was feeling numb. I was not angry. I was not like, I knew that I'm done. And I was not even saying anything to her because it was not only guys there. There were girls and guys. You understand? So I was like, if I'm...
Namatrisam. Was that why you called? Because we spoke about threesomes. Bakhuluma zami.
I think because you know, in Xhosa school, these people ababizwa bomakoti. She was having a conversation umakoti. Umakoti, she was saying her man understands that she sleeps with women. So she was inviting her. So I don't know if she was gonna sleep with Makoti only or Makoti and the man, or I don't know. So
bonke sisi.
Bonke,
yeah.
So the problem that I have now is, okay, and some phone with like, okay, the reason why I'm phone, I'm cheating, nan. Career wise, Nina, I'm someone like I like business and whatever like I'm doing, she's not supporting, she's not interested. She's doing nothing. When I'm giving her advice, so like there's this other day, advice with me like I'm she was like, you know, I have a friend the now. Advisor. So ngiyabona ukuthi la future ayikho. And then when you try to break up with her, that girl, the last time, I think 3 or 4 weeks back, she threatened to kill herself. YNZ video call, and she was like, you know, like I was pissed off, and she was like, you know what, I'm killing myself in front of you, and I was like, you know what, I'm watching you. Waphuza amapilisi, waphuza amanzi, what valelisa. I was like, goodbye. I saw bona nakwelizayo because nami ngikhathele huyi. Okay, mina ngahlala. The next thing I received a call ukuthi ugere usesibhedlela. And then ifamily yakhe bangitshela ukuthi ubhala incwadi ukuthi in. Makabuya kuleso sibhedlela, it's like I think she went back to the Sangoma because each and every time when I'm serious about this breakup thing, angazi ukuthi ngifika ngathi ngikhangana nomuntu engiqala ukumbona. So I'm at I'm at the point ukuthi now I no longer know what to do or what like nje angisazi ukuthi ngenzeni ukuphuma kulo mntwana lo, because I see no future. Future ayikho, akazimiselanga nje, akazimiselanga ngani.
Where is she now?
She's home. She's
are you guys
home.
still together?
Sorry?
Are you guys still together?
Yeah, we're still together.
Okay.
Because you know what, Nick?
It's okay.
I can't even move
hold on.
because he will come for me.
Hold on.
Paul, did you understand everything, or do we need to?
No, I understood everything. I'm kind of waiting for you guys with expert advice to resolve the matter.
And then, what happened to your girlfriend, the one that she beat you up with?
So we are still talking. She's still saying she's waiting for me. So I'm telling you, what, I don't want to put you in a situation. So we understand. When you can move on, and we are talking.
Okay.
We are no longer in a relationship.
Anonymous. Okay, when a person says I play for Bafa, you meet a person and they say I play for Banyana. Why don't I check his squad list now?
I did, bruh. We have Ulia Kelly. It's like she's always forward with every answer, because she would if Nyambuz would why ungekho squatting, why ungasathin? No, before I was staying in Durban because sister yami behlala Durban.
Anonymous. I'm saying, why didn't you check it independently? By checking it, you asked her. Like, if you ask a liar something, they're gonna lie to you. Why didn't you check? Like, because
I did check. I did check. Ucheck ugim ukabale ni coach. So in coach imkipile.
So
man,
anonymous. Okay, how can we help you, Ufunan?
So guys, I don't even know which I don't even know what to do right now, because my plans was ifuna ukumghosta. So ekumghosteni kwami, what if uyenza lo muntu wakhe and then invite her to my new place?
Okay. All right. So here's what I think, right? First of all, I will give you a breakdown of, in my let's say 45 years of being almost a mature adult to becoming a mature adult and being in the gay scene and being gay myself, I will tell you the messiness of the LGBTQ plus community, right? And what happens in the LGBTQ happens in the straight heterosexual community. It's just that most of the time they hide their things. Tina, everything is in the open. So, but I can tell you the level of messiness. There's straight people messiness on that list as bottom 3. And then there's gays as middle. Lesbians, they top the messiness of the whole thing. And I'm not saying all lesbians, but it's the image that lesbians have given to themselves. They can be very messy. And unfortunately, most of the time, both parties in the relationship can be extremely messy. And in this case, you've proven me right. What happens in most of the time is that you fight over something that you're also doing yourself. And that creates a turmoil, a toxic environment. Your relationship was toxic from the onset. The reason why you also ignore the red flags is because you yourself are a red flag. So it's just a raise your flag situation, relationship. It is toxic from the beginning because now yourself, you are toxic.
Why do you say that?
Yeah?
Why is she toxic?
Because she enjoys toxicity. So toxicity to her feels like home because now she has all the reasons to leave. But because it feels nice to be lied to openly, it feels nice to be cheated on openly, because when most of the time when you stay in something that feels familiar, it's because you want to justify when you do it. They've done it to me. And it's not like this person is changing who you are by when you're cheating. They are enhancing who you are. Because if you're not a cheater, you would walk away from a situation that is going to change you to become one.
And she's still talking to her ex.
And
who
her
is
ex,
in a
yes.
relationship.
And she talks about being trapped as if it's something to be celebrated. Like Tigolo shaya. She's short. Ongena. And then I'm imagining Ubele. Amabele is 6.
Plus, beba phume eshaweni.
So njalo ubathole eshaweni. Machina amabele nje pa pa pa. Sabo reka omo ing. So imagine you making it sound like it's a comedy club, and it's not. It's serious. There's physical abuse. There's financial abuse.
And the child is in the house while she's being
imagine,
trapped.
and there's emotional abuse, but also there is ubuthakathi. And the ubuthakathi bakhona, she glorifies it. Like she showed me what she did with my picture. Why would you stay with someone who shows you what they did with your picture? So it means now you're anonymous. She's toxic. So we don't need to fix her or your relationship. You need to fix yourself. That's where the issue is, anonymous. You need help.
But what happens if Bamloyil? I'm sure she's under a spell. So Miss, she
yes,
has said
she was supposed to take action.
She said she doesn't understand why she went back to this woman in the first place, because she had been blocking, and then out of nowhere, this spell that she's under.
Naked, when you know somebody's doing something for you to go back to them, you would do something to unblock the situation. Anonymous is justifying why. Anonymous has a low self-esteem and she tolerates nonsense. There's no lawyering here.
But she saw the video.
Yes, she's trying to. She wants to make it look like it's okay for her to be with this toxic
Why
person.
doesn't she fight fire with fire and then find the sangoma? Maybe
but
to
she
reverse
doesn't.
the spell or return to sender.
But she doesn't. She wants us to go, no, we understand why you're with this person because we are lawyer. And when a person shows good you are lawyer, you go and unlawyer yourself. You go to another sangoma away from this person. So Namanji Uti, I'm scared when I move into it, I want to block her. When I move into another place, she's gonna follow me. No, anonymous. Our lawyer anonymous. There's nothing like that. Who's loyal when? So
you hear that, anonymous?
You need to remove yourself from this situation. And justify.
Okay. Sorry to cut you, Nick.
Yeah, but
the other thing, hence I told you before, Guti, I'm a businesswoman.
Yeah.
So there's there's things that I'm doing on my business. There's things that I'm doing that it's on social media. So, and I don't want to ruin my career and my because umuntu okwazi ukuthi ngizombamba la. Like if I could do this, because even before, you understand, ngabuyelana naye not because I wanted to. I
know what you mean. I know what you mean. You are giving her too much power, anonymous. You are giving her too much power, and also to her you are a cash cow. That's all you are. She doesn't love you. She loves what you bring into this relationship. So you really need to go work on yourself, anonymous. I was stand. Ne?
Yeah.
Go work on yourself. Forget about this girl. Cut her off. No person has the power to ruin what you've built. You've built this business on your own. So don't give her too much power. You are too soft.
Just one or two things from me. Yeah. Anonymous, what do you believe in?
I'm a Christian, but I don't go sangoma. I pray.
Okay. Then, you won't fight fire with fire. Have you been praying?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Because, you see, now...
you don't have to... I'm sure you're a praying woman, eh?
Yeah.
But then all these things that they do, Gule Sangoma, and maybe you're not eating things that you are being fed by this woman, etc., etc., or you think prayer alone will help you survive?
Yeah, I think prayer and Mina, if I stand my grounds, yes, I do. Like now, I mean, it's been 3 weeks not seeing her. I always tell her I'm busy. Even if I see her, it's been more than 6 months. If I see her, she's no longer coming to my place. I will book that 2 hours and that's it.
Okay, Anonymous.
So yeah.
Anonymous, we know that you're scared of her. Have a restraining order or protection order. Just go to the police station and have one of those things opened up. Make sure that you block this person. Even when she downloads other things, do not go back there. Go and pray. It's either you want her in your life or you don't want her in your life. Make a decision and stick to it, okay?
All right.
Sharp.
Okay, baby girl.
And send us that video.
Our Constitution is one of the most progressive. Don't touch that dial.
I said what I said.
It's now a different playing field. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
Once again, 060-552-7303. You just heard the situation from Anonymous. And if you were in the same situation, what would you do? Send us a voice note on 060-552-7303 with some advice on the situation you just heard on the show this morning.
Ay, man, Anonymous, yeah. Anonymous, weak. Ay, man, Anonymous, man, you should work on yourself. That's weakness, man. Ulokuthi, ne. Ukugaba umuntu yazi ukuthi uzokubamba kuphi nawe uyabambeka nawe. Hayi Anonymous, man. No.